My first experience with CareATC was extremely different in the sense that I walked in, I'd already made the appointment, and I walked in and I was there for maybe 2 to 3 minutes before the PA came out to see me, which is unheard of in a doctor's office. That just does not happen. I was very impressed right at the beginning.
The way the clinic benefited me the most is financially, because I don't have to use my PTO, so that saves me money. It feels like I'm getting more of the questions answered that I didn't get answered before.
We actually allow our employees to go on county time to the wellness center, so there's really no excuse not to go to the doctor. You kind of feel like part of the family by going there. Working with Dr. Irvine and Christine, I've seen both of them, my children have seen both of them, my husband has seen both of them, and you actually leave knowing that you have everything a one-stop shop and you're happy when you leave.
I was just like anybody else. I was skeptical at first because this is new. This is something we've never endeavored into before. Now seeing it up and running and functioning and seeing more people taking advantage of this opportunity and seeing the potential that in cost savings to the county and to the employees. The doctor or the nurse practitioner actually feel like they have a vested interest in your health, and they actually took the time, in some cases 30, 45 minutes, an hour or more, to really get to know those individuals or patients and what their medical concerns, what their goals were, and that happened with CareATC, and I've heard nothing but great things. I have yet to hear a bad comment from anybody.
The health center itself, the way that they built it and designed it, is beautiful. It's welcoming, it's warm, it's inviting. And you can't ask for anything more, especially if you're walking in for the first time to an office that you don't know. You know, the atmosphere was very welcoming and inviting. I felt special. I really did. I felt like, you know, she was genuinely wanting to know what I was there for. She cared about my health and my well-being, and it was great. It was a great experience.
CareATC's technology with the app and all the sophisticated equipment, the video PHAs that we now have, that's what really sold us on it.
No complaints about having to wait for an hour because the doctor was off doing something else. Either the doctor's there or the nurse practitioner. Everybody from the time you walk in with the receptionist till the time you leave, they're all perfect. On a scale of 1 to 10, we would definitely give it a 10 and recommend it to any and every city or county around.
The location is right down the street, easy to get to, in and out of. The biggest benefit is that you can get your drugs on site. The convenience and no waiting. What else could you ask for from a clinic? I mean,
well, they go out of their way to be nice to you, and it saves you money. I mean, you know, and it's convenient. You don't have to wait. That's pretty nice, and that usually sells anybody on it.
One of my favorite programs that we have on Health Passport incorporates one-on-one health coaching, group coaching, and competitions. And it makes it really fun for employees to go in and compete with their fellow coworkers, as well as kind of get together once a month and learn something new about health and wellness, just to kind of keep it top of mind. You know, some people, it just kind of comes naturally to them, but sometimes you kind of just need that extra push to get people excited about wellness.
And there's nothing like seeing the look on their face when we say, okay, we're gonna put you on this, that, and they're all here. You'll get them before you leave. It's like, wow, okay, and they're all free, and they're all free. I think it's very refreshing and definitely a different healthcare experience than what they're used to. The challenge is always there to make each visit with the patient better than the last. Being able to make the biggest impact in their lives. I think that's what's most enjoyable and rewarding here.